moving into a design position, it is expected for you to have understanding about standards, your theoretical knowledge, and do deliver design outcomes. Maybe in terms of calculations, in terms of drawings. But being a fresher, I would say, I would not doubt, but it's not very common to go into designs. So usually you will be posted in projects where if you have a reasonable knowledge in electrical engineering and a reasonable level of managerial and communication skills, you can work in the site, usually installing equipment, testing equipment, handling installations, testing procedures, and what we call commissioning is the starting of the system for the first time. So these will be the primary responsibilities of a fresher, and the rest will add up in the future. But just to add to that, because you asked, it's also good to have some sort of managerial and financial qualifications as well. Because in project, even though you start as a site engineer who will just install equipment and test them, when you go up in the ladder, you will become a project manager one day, where the financial responsibilities do come onto your head. So now that you asked the question, it's not a place to start with, but it's good to have some sort of managerial and financial qualifications as well as you go.
Thank you, Mr. Fasant, for that answer too. So the last question we have is kind of similar to one of the previous questions the participants has asked. But anyways, I'll be directing it to you in case you have any additions you have to. Is there any international certification which can add a value when migrating?
I don't think so, honestly. But if you really want to go do a certificate on 7671 standard, which proves that you are eligible to do an electrical installation in Europe, Asia, Europe, Asia, UK, US, or wherever it is. Well, that's the only certification I can think of which would really add value. I'm not saying that other certifications will not add value, but that will be specific cases which I'm not in a position to explain in detail. But I'm pretty sure electrical installation certification is going to help you.
All right, thank you, Mr. Fasan. So that's all the questions we have from the participants for today. Thank you very much all for directing your questions to us. Also, a kind request from you all, we will be circulating a feedback form in the chat box, so feel free to give your comments and feedback regarding today's program. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Pasan Pethiagoda for accepting our honorable invitation today. Please accept this digital token of appreciation.
Thank you so much, Famudi. It was an honor to be here. Good luck with all the candidates.
Thank you once again. Now I invite all our participants to switch on your cameras to take a quick photo as a memory.
Yeah, Pamit, let's go ahead with so 3, let me capture the photo. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, so you can go ahead, Pamit.
All right, thank you. So without taking much time, I now invite one of the secretary leads of StudPro 5.0, Ms. Parmi Santiago, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Famudi. So good evening, everyone. It's an honor for me to be asked to propose a vote of thanks on the occasion of this session. So first and foremost, on behalf of the Stud Pro 5.0 committee, I would like to thank Mr. Pasan Petiagoda for a brilliant session on today's topic. It was very informative, and I hope everyone took advantage of the opportunity to the fullest. And I would also like to express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone on the IEEE Young Professionals Sri Lanka team for engaging in and supporting us on this occasion. And finally, a big thanks to our wonderful audience for joining us today. I hope this session adds value to your journey ahead. So thank you everyone once again. Have a good night.
Thank you, Ms. Parami. By and by, we have come to the end of this unique session that explored the art of knowing our industry for the electrical stream. With the hope to see you guys with another informative session, we now sign out of today's session. Thank you very much. Stay safe and have a good day.